Reporting to you live from Bulldog headquarters, I'm Kyron.
And I'm Jermaine. We'd like to thank you all for tuning in to our premiere of our very own school television network.
Here we will tell you about fun events like summer camp.
Oh, I can't wait for summer camp.
Before we spill all the beans about the fun activities, let's review some community guidelines.
Oh no, this looks so unsafe. I have to do something about this. Oh, here it is, my magic wand. Now let's show everyone how to really play safe. Now that's more like it. Safety is my top priority, and it should be yours too.
Jack, what you do is like you have to play some Fortnite. Yeah, sure. You stay up all night. You guys want to get a selfie? Yeah, sure. Yeah, but let's not talk right now because we're on a field trip. You guys want to take a selfie? No. Put your device away. We're not supposed to have that. Okay.
I don't know what is happening to me. This is something hard to deal with. It gets me in trouble even when I want to stop. I just can't.
Meet Caitlin. Caitlin is a student here at 297 who is addicted to getting sturdy.
I get sturdy on my way to school. I get sturdy in the halls. I get sturdy when it's time to line up. I just can't stop. Someone help me.
Have you tried the new anti-sturdy potion?
What's that?
It's an answer to your problem. See, now it can help you focus on your work.
The anti-sturdy potion is available in stores now for only $19.99. Get yours fast. Call right now and receive 2 for the price of 2. That's 297-1206. Get right and get yours.
This month was packed with so many events. We had our Fire Zone Showcase, fun cooking classes, and an amazing award ceremony. We cannot wait to show you all of what June has to offer, so stay tuned for more.
Alright, now that we reviewed some community guidelines, let's dive into the real fun here. As you already know, the school year is coming to an end very soon.
With that being said, summer camp is officially rolling in.
Make sure to join us this summer for all the fun activities. Also, on May 25th, the entire school is heading under the sea to see Disney's Little Mermaid. You for sure don't want to miss this.
That's all the Bulldog news that we have for today. Join us on
Bulldogs TV!